Now move to question number 5. A square lawn is surrounded by a path of 2 meter wide. If the area of path is 240 meter square, find the area of lawn. In this question we have to find the area of lawn, but no information is given about the lawn. So we will start with the sum. We will suppose the side of the square lawn as a x meter, because information is given in the meter, so we are using meter as a dimension. After that, find the area of lawn. Area of lawn will be, because it is in a square shape, square formula is side multiply side, x multiply x will become x square. After that, find the area of the square with the square lawn with the path. It means full figure area. To find the area of full figure, what will be the side? The side will be, this is x, 2 will increase from this side, 2 increase from that side. So total length will become x plus 2 plus 2. So it will become 2 plus 2 will become 4. So length of the square lawn or side of the square lawn with path will be x plus 4 meter. Now find the area of the square lawn with the path, that is side multiply side, x plus 4 multiply x plus 4. First multiply x with the whole bracket and then 4 with the whole bracket. After multiplication you got the answer x square plus 4x plus 4x plus 16. Then after that x square plus 8x plus 16 meter square. Now area of path will be area of square lawn with path minus area of square lawn. To find this area of shaded region, what we will do, area of full figure minus area of lawn, that is area of lawn with path minus area of the lawn. Now replace the value. All area we have already find. This is given in the question 250, x square cut. This 16 will shift to other side. After subtracting we got the answer 224 and then divided with the 8 you got the answer x is 28. It means side of lawn, x means side of lawn is equals to 28 meter. Now move to area of lawn. Area of lawn is side square. It means 28 multiply 28, you got the answer 784 meter square. Now move to question number 6. In question number 6, a veranda 1.25 meter is constructed all around the site outside of a room. In this question, the information of room is given and we have to construct a veranda around that room, and the information of veranda is that find the area of the veranda. That veranda should be 1.25 meter wide. This from this side also it is 1.25 meter wide, and the length is given 7.5 meter, length of room is given 7.5 meter, breadth is given 5 meter. So first of all we will find the length of the veranda. To find the length of veranda, this is 7.5, both sided we have to increase as 1.25. After adding we got the length 10 centimeter. And breadth of new breadth means breadth of veranda will be you have to add 5 plus 1.25 plus 1.25, and we got the whole figure length, not length of veranda. We got this whole length and whole breadth, and we got the answer 10 meter and 7.5 meter. Now find the area of veranda. How we will find the area of veranda? It means to find the area of this shaded region, like in the previous question we have done. To find this area, area of full figure, area of veranda with room minus area of room. So what we have to do, new length multiply new breadth minus given information, that is this is your area of room. After that replace the value, and after subtracting we got the answer 37.5 meter square. Now move to next part, that is cost of cementing on the floor of veranda. We have to find the cost of cementing. Cost of cementing 1 meter square. Cost of cementing 1 meter square is 15 rupees. Cost of cementing whole floor, area of the floor is 37.5 meter. So multiply 15 with 37.5. We got the answer 562.5 rupees. Now move to question number 7. In question number 7, a path is 5 meter wide, run around inside the rectangular field. Now in this question, this hole is a field. Inside we have to draw the path. In other question we are plotting and we are constructing the path outside the figure, but in this question we have to construct the path inside the figure, inside your field. The length of the rectangular field is 3 times the breadth of the field. So information is not given, so we will suppose the breadth of the field as x unit and the length of the rectangular field as a 3x, because it is given in the question that length is 3 times of the breadth. Area of path is given 500. How we will find the area of path? This shaded one is your path. To find the area of this path, area of field, this whole area of field minus area of the remaining portion. So same we will use here, area of rectangular field minus area of the remaining part, but we don't have the information of the length and breadth of remaining part. First we will find the new length and new breadth. Because we construct the path inside the figure, then it means length is reduced by 5 meter from both sides. It means length will become x minus 5 minus 5, 2 times both sided it is reduced by 5. Similarly breadth will become 3x minus 5 minus 5. We got the new length x minus 10 and new breadth as 3x minus 10. Replace the value because both are in the square figure, so we have to use the formula side into side. We will replace the value of area of path 500 this is your rectangle, so here we are using the formula of length into breadth, here also length into breadth. After that replace the values, multiply it, and then after calculation we got the answer 15 meter. Field is given in the rectangle shape, so here we are using the formula length into breadth. But in previous question it was given square, so in that question we are using the formula side into side. So in this question we have to find length and breadth. Your breadth is x meter, so breadth will be 15 meter, length is 3x, 3 into 15, answer is 45 meter. Now move to your question number 8. In question number 8, if it cost rupees 1600 to fence a rectangular park of a length 20 meter at a rate of rupees 25 per meter, find the breadth of the park and its perimeter, also area of the park. So in this question fencing is given. Fencing means we have covering the boundary with the wire, iron wire or any wire, whatever it means. Fencing means we are consider only boundary portion, so in that case we are finding the perimeter. If in this question length is given 20 meter, cost of 1 meter fencing is given rupees 25, total cost is given in the question 16 meter. So fencing is given, it means we are able to find the areas, we are able to find the perimeter of rectangular park. To find the perimeter of rectangular park, we will divide the total cost with the cost of 1 meter fencing. After dividing we got the answer 64 meter. So first part is done, that perimeter of rectangular park is 64 meter. Now in this question length is given, we have to find the breadth, so use the formula of perimeter of rectangle, 2 length plus breadth. Replace the value, perimeter 64, length is 20 centimeter. Open the bracket, multiply 2 with both, 2 into 20, 2 into b, shift the terms other side, we got the answer breadth is 12 meter. Now length is 20, breadth is 12. Use the formula of area of rectangular park, length into breadth. After that we got the answer 240 meters square.